Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. We have a cool song here, Won't Back Down, from the movie Fast X, you know, with Toretto and the family. So a great song here. It's Dermot Kennedy there, YOUNGBOY, ZIMMERMAN, and so on. So a great song to learn on guitar, why not? So let's take a look at the song with starting capo on the 3rd fret. Alright, so capo on 3rd, that will be the easiest chords possible. So we're gonna look at the chords first, like we usually do. So the first one will be A minor. That is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Next chord is a bar chord, the F. So place the bar here on the 1st fret. You cross all strings there, and then the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. We have the D minor, so that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. We have G next, so that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. And the final chord will be the E minor 7, right? So that's very easy. You go with open E, then 2nd A, and then open D, open G, open B, and open E. So all strings open except from the 2nd A there. All right, so there we have the chords, 5 chords, I believe. Yes, so let's first take a look at the strumming pattern. We have this chord progression that goes A minor, F, D minor, and G, and that makes up for about 95% of the song or so. So a big part of it is just A minor, F, D minor, and G. But we do that with a strumming pattern. So grab the A minor, that's the 1st chord, and one strumming round will be down, down, up, clap, down, like this. All right, so you go down, down, up, clap, down. That's one round. So down, down, up, clap, down. You're gonna play 1 round per chord in the chord progression I mentioned: A minor, F, D minor, and G. A little bit slower than standard tempo, just for you to get the idea of how it's done. Goes like this. So that's how you do like almost through the entire song here. All right, so with standard tempo, 1 round. All right, so there you have it. A minor, F, D minor, and G. All right, then we have this bridge part. It's about 1 minute and 52 seconds into the song. We have 2 lines of chords, you can say. Pretty much 2 times of 1 chord progression. It goes D minor, then E minor 7, then A minor, and G. The first round here, you will play just 1 down per chord. So the big pause in between, E minor 7, then A minor, and then G. On the 2nd round here, you will play the same chords here. You will play D minor, E minor 7, and A minor. You will skip the last G because this is just a pause that builds up for, again, the same chord progression that we learned: A minor, F, D minor, and G. The 2nd round here, now you will play a strumming pattern that goes 4 downs, so to speak. So if you want to call that strumming pattern, you can. It's just 4 downs per chord. So extra there, plus a pause that builds up for the main part here. And after that, you just go back to the A minor, F, D minor, and G and play that till the very end. So yeah, that pretty much covers Won't Back Down from the Fast X movie. cool song to learn and impress with. So yeah, good luck with this one, guys, and play tuned.